Classifying with clarity, exploring hierarchy and organization. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting and crucial aspect of academic and professional English vocabulary. Our focus will be on the topic of hierarchy and organization and classification. Understanding how to classify and categorize using a hierarchical structure will not only expand your vocabulary but also refine your ability to express complex ideas in English. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's understand what we mean by classification and hierarchy. Classification involves organizing or sorting things based on common characteristics. When we add a hierarchical structure to classification, we're placing these categories into levels of importance or rank. For instance, consider the classification of living organisms in biology. We start with the broadest category, the kingdom, then move down to phylum, class, order, family, genus, and finally, species. Each level of this hierarchy is more specific than the last, allowing for precise classification. Now, how do we use this concept in English language? In academic and professional contexts, hierarchical language can help us present information more clearly and logically. Consider an academic essay. You might first introduce the general topic, the broadest category, then move on to specific themes, subcategories, and finally, delve into detailed arguments and evidence, the most specific categories. Similarly, in a professional setting, think about a company hierarchy. We have positions like the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, at the top, followed by other senior executives, middle management, and then the employees. When discussing the company's structure, using this hierarchy can help others understand the relationships and ranks within the organization. Let's look at some practical examples. Imagine you're writing an essay on climate change. Your hierarchy might look like this. Climate change, general topic. Causes of climate change, subtopic. Greenhouse gas emissions, specific point. Deforestation, specific point. By structuring your ideas hierarchically, your argument becomes more organized, and your points are presented in a logical, digestible manner. In conclusion, understanding the concept of classification and hierarchy in language usage can significantly improve your English language skills, particularly in academic and professional contexts. I hope this video has been helpful, and you feel more confident in employing hierarchy and organization in your English usage. Remember, language is all about conveying your thoughts clearly and effectively. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep learning. See you in our next video.